Here's why your payment may have failed on the Uniplaces website. If you receive an email saying that there's a transactional error with your payment, it means your bank didn't authorize it. This could happen for three main reasons, such as your card has insufficient funds, your card has been declined, or your card is not supported. To recover your payment, here are some simple steps you can follow. First, please double check if you have enough balance on your account. Make sure your card is authorized for online payments and verify if you have set a limit for online payments. If none of that helps, call your bank and ask them to approve the Uniplaces payment and make sure your credit card is not expired. Alternatively, you can try using a different payment method or speak to your bank directly to understand the reason behind the payment failure. Our website currently accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Maestro debit and credit cards, as well as PayPal and Alipay. We hope that helps you finalize the payment for your booking. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or send us a message in any of our social media platforms.